So finally, you've started out and you've taken that very first step. I mean, you've signed up on Upwork and you've started your journey of becoming a freelancer. Yes, you have taken your time to do your research. You heard about freelancing and how you can make money from it, writing jobs without doing the whole tech thing, and you can make money, and you've done your research, thorough research, and you finally found out that, oh, I can be a freelancer. And you've seen the freelance platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com, we work remotely. So you found all of them and then you decide to settle for Upwork. So but now you've signed up on Upwork as a freelancer. You've listed out your skills, you've created your profile, but you don't know the next thing to do. Everything seems overwhelming. How do I get jobs? What do I do? Calm down. Let me take you on a journey. So hi, my name is Mykail Arisa, your friendly value mate, and I'm an email funnel copywriter. I'm a high-ticket sales consultant as well as a business coach, and I'm here to help you on your journey as a copywriter. So let's get into my browser. Let me quickly show you what steps to take, okay? So now here we are at Upwork. So once you are done signing up on Upwork, you are obviously going to be presented with a screen not like this. I have not logged in. So when you get to Upwork, the very first thing you want to do is to set up your profile, and I believe that if you are watching this video, you must have gone through that particular process, because you can't eventually sign up on Upwork without setting up your profile. So the signing up process is the process whereby you get to set up your profile, okay? So once you are done setting up your profile, the next thing you want to do is to take the profile readiness test. There's a profile readiness test that you can take. If yours is not showing up, then don't worry, you will still be able to take it much later. And heads up, I know you might be wondering, so how do you get to verify your account? Well, your account verification happens after you must have gotten your first job and you've been able to fulfill your first job. Then you have to verify your account using a valid ID. It can be your international passport, it can be your NIN, it can be your driver's license, but whatever ID that can verify your identity, that's what Upwork is going to request from you. Another thing you need to know is that you need to fill in your tax form. So there's a tax form. When you go to settings and billings, you'll be able to fill it in. You need to do that for you to be able to receive payment. It's very important. So you go to TIN website for those in Nigeria, that's Joint Tax Board or FIRS, and then you are going to create your TIN, that's your taxpayer's identity number. I think it takes about a week or so. That's your certificate going to be out. Use the information on that certificate to fill up the form. The very first thing you want to do is you want to join the Upwork community. So, and this can be found by visiting community.upwork.com. So when you visit the community on Upwork, you really want to sign into this community. So they say welcome to the community. So what you have to do is to just click on login, and then after that you can join the community. Okay, once you are done joining the community, what you want to do is to come up to Academy, then come down to the courses. The courses here, if possible, take all the available courses. You can start from here, going through these. You can even find more knowledge on how to craft your profile title and all of this. Then you set up a very compelling profile. The good thing about these courses is that as you are taking them, you should also be implementing. For example, setting your rate. All of these on your profile should be easy for you to do. Okay, so they are just videos. So you take the courses. Once you are done with the courses, the next thing you want to do is to kickstart the learning part. So the learning part is just a series of videos that take you through some trainings. At the end of it, you earn badges. Okay, now each particular training is shown how long it's going to take you. So you can see that this is 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours. This is about 20 to 25 minutes, 1 hour. Let's just take, for example, you take out a day and say you want to finish this. You can literally do it. Take 3 hours in the morning or maybe 4 hours in the morning, and then you go for a break, and then you come back, then you take 20 to 25 minutes. You can take 2 hours later, or in the evening you can finish up with this 2 hour, 1 hour, and then 20 to 25 minutes, and then 10 to 15 minutes. But the ones that are important for you, you are not yet a client. So what you should focus on is this: starting an agency, Upwork for clients and enterprise clients 101. You don't necessarily need this. Most things that you need is just growing on Upwork, project catalog, building a business, new to Upwork. Make sure that you take these particular courses, these 3 courses. So new to Upwork, getting started, new to Upwork, finding work, and then new to Upwork, working on Upwork. You really need to take them, okay? It's very important, and then you earn the badges as well as you are taking them. So once you are done with the learning part, the next place you want to come to is coaching. So now you've taken the courses and you have gone through the learning path. But the coaching is not really difficult, although you apply and then they have to approve you. The major thing you need to watch out for is just how do you join. Now, for you to join the Upwork coaching program, all you have to do is make sure that, one, you have a good profile, and then your proposal also makes sense. Okay, so why do you want to join the coaching program? Well, in the coaching program, you can see here that they say they will teach you how to create and maintain a marketable profile, how to find work by writing winning proposals, communicate effectively with clients, discuss strategies on how to interview, you negotiate projects, and then set your rates and how to increase your rates as well. So this is like a calendar. Today, on the 9th, they are going to have a live session whereby you get to ask a coach any question you want to ask. So this is like the calendar for the coaching program this month, and here are the coaches that you get to also do the programs with. Now, one of the things that you need to do for you to be able to join this program is that your profile has to be complete, and then you should also know how to send proposals. Okay, so for you to be able to join, you would have to select the coaching program you are interested in joining, and then once you're approved, you get access to all coaching content, and then you can ask questions and engage with coaches. To join this coaching program, you must complete the new to Upwork 101 and then new to Upwork 102 before you now sign up for this personalized coaching program. So the next place you want to come to is skills and certifications. That is academy. You come down to certification, and when you get to the Upwork skills certification, sadly this is just for only 2 sets of individuals. So you have the web and mobile software development persons, and then the design and creative persons. So now for those that are in the design and creative category, now these are the categories, these are things, skill sets that are available. So they'll have to assess your skill first, and then you will have to also be able to have a 100% profile completeness. Then your ID is verified, and then you have at least 4 portfolio items, because that's what they are going to be screening. Now, for you to get prepared, go through these links. There are videos and tips that can help you with that. So just make sure to find out time to go through this. That's for those of you that are into designs and creative, who are either doing 2D animation, 3D modeling, art direction, brand identity, cartoon arts, all these things, graphic design, illustration, motion graphics, and UI UX. All of them are here. Video editing and videography, they are under the design and creative. So sadly, these are the only people that can get certification from Upwork. So the very next set of people that can get certification from Upwork are web, mobile, and software developers. Now, and this is the Upwork skill certification that they can offer them, and it only comes by invitation alone. So it's only when you are invited that you can do this. So the requirement for them is just to have a 100% profile completeness, and then their ID has to be verified. That's after they must have done 1 job. So that means when you get started and then you complete your profile, you do your first job and verify your ID, then you will be invited to apply for this particular certification. So now these are the skills that they will be assessing. You have Android Java development, Android Kotlin, C#, desktop software development, C++, desktop, iOS, Objective-C, iOS, Swift, Java backend, then JavaScript backend, JavaScript front-end development, PHP, Python, and Ruby. Like, all of these are the skills that they are going to be assessing. So this is what it entails. So if you fall under this category, make sure to check out this particular page to help you understand what to do. So by the time you are done with all of this, then you should be ready to go out there and get your first job and all. But if you still feel like you are scared of testing your foot in the water, and you need someone that can hold you by the hand and put you through step by step on how you can be able to do this for yourself, then make sure to check out the link in the description. So I dropped a link in the description. So I have a community where you can be a member of the community. You have people that can push you beyond your limits, stress you beyond your comfort zone, so that you achieve the results you want to achieve for yourself. Then also you get access to one-on-one mentorship where I hold you by the hand and put you through step by step on how you can be able to make money for yourself, how most of my students have been able to go through this process and start earning in dollars for themselves, and how I myself have been able to also go through that process. So if you are interested in this, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Make sure to check out the link in the description. So if you were able to find value from this video, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends who might find it valuable, and also subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on subsequent videos like this. So with that, we have come to the end of today's session. My name is Mykail, Arisa, your friendly value mate, and remember, don't just get online, get noticed.